So if you want to set up your Verizon eSIM on iPhone, so couple of things you got to do. So firstly, make sure you have your eSIM information. So you either need to have a QR code from Verizon or an activation code which you have to get it from the Verizon. So make sure you have that handy. And once you have that, now on your iPhone, go to settings and go to settings and then scroll down and hit on mobile, and from mobile you'll see an option called eSIM, so which is add eSIM. All you have to do is tap on it, and then once you click on add eSIM and select the use QR code option. So now once you use that, once you tap on use QR code, you can use your iPhone's camera to scan the Verizon eSIM QR code that's been given to you, and then just follow the on-screen prompts to like assign the labels and then set the default lines for the calls, message and data, and just finish up the process. And that's the setting up process. Alternatively, sometimes you can also use the Verizon app. So if you have the Verizon app, download the app and sign into your account, and then look for activate eSIM or set up eSIM option in the app. If you see that, then just follow the app instruction. It will usually send the eSIM information to your iPhone automatically, and it will help you set it up straight away. So these are the ways how you can do this.